Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make chicken and cheese bites wrapped with bacon. Okay, so we need bacon. Okay, I already try one, and then chicken fillet, breast chicken fillet. I add pepper and salt, and then brown sugar, and then cheese sliced into cubes, and this one also. Okay, and then bacon. And then we're gonna put also in this side. Okay, we're gonna wrap this one also in this side, both sides. Okay, and then we're gonna put a toothpick. Okay, and then dip in brown sugar. Okay. Okay, we're gonna wrap this one sa bacon. And then we're gonna wrap also the other side. Okay, then we're gonna add a toothpick. Oh, dip in the brown sugar. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, wrap sa bacon, and then wrap also the other side. Okay, this one is not super fun. This one, okay. Super wide ba? Okay. And dip in brown sugar. Okay. Guys, so it's done. Our chicken and cheese bites wrapped with bacon. Chicken and cheese bites wrapped with bacon. Okay, so it's done. Bake this one 250 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. That's it. Guys, so it's done. So this is it, guys. Our chicken and cheese bites wrapped with bacon. Okay, some of the cheese, nakuan. Okay. So, our chicken and cheese bites wrapped with bacon. Okay, the cheese, Okay. So, I'm gonna try, but, oh, Lord. Okay. But it's super hot. Ooh, it's super hot. It's yummy. It's super yummy, guys. Look at the cheese. It's super yummy. Okay, guys, so that's our chicken and cheese bites wrapped with bacon. It's done. Okay, so there's a lot of oil from the bacon. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D. Bruja To my Instagram, D_bro_ja. And to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Yummy! The chicken is very cooked. It's super yummy.